In this video, we listed the 15 best folding e-bike for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Hezo T5 Electric Bicycle. The Hezo T5 electric bicycle is a folding, lightweight e-bike designed primarily for urban commuters and everyday riders who want a simple, portable electric bike for short trips, errands, or last-mile travel. The model you mentioned, marketed as Hezo T5 Electric Bicycle Folding Lightweight for Adults 48V350W Commuter Electric Bike, focuses on convenience, compact storage, and basic electric performance suitable for city streets. Key specifications: motor, 48V350W, brushless, electric motor, offering enough power for flat urban riding and moderate inclines. Battery, 48V lithium-ion battery, around 10.4 hour, with typical charging time of 3 to 5 hours. Range, around 12 to 15 miles, 19 to 22 miles per charge, 19 to 22 miles or 30-35 km typically, under normal riding conditions. Top speed, approximately 22 miles per hour, 32 km per hour, in the US spec, common for commuter e-bikes. Product 2. Product name: 14 Folding Electric Motorcycles. 14 Folding Electric Motorcycles, often marketed as folding electric bikes or compact commuter e-bikes, are lightweight, portable electric cycles designed for everyday riding, urban commuting, and convenience in storage or transport. These models combine a compact 14-inch wheel size, electric motor assist, and a foldable frame so users can easily carry, park, or store them in small spaces like car trunks, apartments, or offices. Key performance specs, typical for 14 models. Motor power, tilde for 50W peak motor, electric assist for starting and hills, suitable for city terrain and light inclines. Battery, 48V, tilde 10.5 or lithium-ion pack, removable on many models for convenient charging. Top speed, tilde 20 miles per hour, 32 km per hour, matches common electric bicycle classifications in many regions. Range, tilde 15-20 miles, 25 to 32 km, per charge under normal use, varies with load, assist level, and terrain. Product 3. Product name: Cybervelo 1000W Peak Folding E-Bike. The Cybervelo 1000W Peak Folding E-Bike, often marketed as the Cybervelo Maz 700 Peak or similar, is an electric bike designed for urban commuting and versatile riding, combining strong motor performance with portability and long range for daily use. Powertrain and performance. Motor, a Peak 1000W brushless rear hub motor, typically rated around 750W, delivers strong propulsion for city streets, hills, and light off-road terrain. Speed and torque, it can reach speeds of around 30 plus miles per hour, 48 km per hour, with the help of a 7-speed transmission for varied riding conditions. Pedal assist and modes, multiple assist levels and riding modes, e.g., throttle, pedal assist, manual, provide flexibility from gentle commuting to spirited riding. Product 4. Product name: Cheap Electric Bike. The Cheap Electric Bike is a practical, budget-friendly electric bicycle designed for riders who want an affordable yet capable e-bike for commuting, leisure, or light off-road use. This latest new arrival model combines simplicity with strong performance features rarely found in lower-priced electric bikes. Key features and benefits. 48V power system. A 48-volt battery setup provides better efficiency and higher power compared with standard 36V systems. This means improved torque, longer range per charge, and smoother acceleration, valuable for riding in varied terrains. 1000W peak motor. The powerful 1000W peak motor offers strong propulsion, especially useful when climbing hills, carrying heavier loads, or navigating uneven surfaces. While the rated continuous power may be lower, peak output gives reliable burst performance during demanding rides. Product 5. Product name: Bicymoto Electrica. The cheap Bicymoto Electrica is a budget-friendly folding electric bicycle designed for everyday urban use, combining compact portability with enough power for city riding and short-distance commutes. Key features and specifications. Motor and power: brushless electric motor rated around 350 to 400 W, peak up to 400 W, giving moderate power for city streets and slight hills. Battery: 48V lithium-ion battery, commonly 10.4R, providing a typical range suited for daily errands or commuting, often 20-35 km per charge under normal conditions. Frame and build: lightweight carbon steel folding frame, easier to carry and store in apartments, car trunks, or office spaces. Wheels: 14-inch road-style tires that help balance portability with road performance. Product 6. Product name: 250W electric bicycle. A 250W electric bicycle is a class of e-bike powered by a 250-watt W motor, one of the most common power ratings for urban and commuter electric bikes worldwide. This power level provides a balanced mix of efficient assistance, manageable speed, and legality in many regions, often falling within standard e-bike regulations. Key features. Motor: 250W. The 250W motor delivers smooth power assistance, ideal for city streets and everyday commuting. It's strong enough to help with hills, moderate loads, and frequent stop-and-go traffic while remaining energy efficient. Urban commuting focus. Designed primarily for city use, these bikes let riders cover daily distances comfortably with pedal assist or throttle. They reduce effort on longer rides and make cycling practical even in hilly or windy environments. Product 7. Product name: Bodywell T16 Pro 14 Folding E-Bike. The Bodywell T16 Pro 14 Folding E-Bike is a compact, foldable electric bicycle designed for urban commuting and everyday rides. It blends portability with electric assist performance, making it suitable for riders who want an easy-to-store and efficient city e-bike. Motor and power. Equipped with a brushless electric motor rated around 250 W, typical for folding e-bikes, delivering smooth and reliable power on flat or moderate urban terrain. Capable of providing pedal assist and pure electric modes, letting riders choose between full electric drive or a combination of pedaling with motor boost. Design and portability. 14-inch wheels and a foldable aluminum alloy frame make it compact and easy to store in tight spaces such as car trunks, offices, or apartments. The folding mechanism is tool-free and intuitive, catering to users who frequently switch between cycling and other transport modes, like trains or buses. Product 8. Product name: Adult Folding Electric Bike. An adult folding electric bike is a versatile, high-performance electric bicycle designed for adults who want a powerful, compact, and easy-to-store ride. These bikes combine the convenience of folding design with strong electric propulsion, making them ideal for commuting, off-road fun, travel, and urban mobility. Power and performance. Motor capacity. Equipped with a robust 1000 W to 2000 W electric motor, these folding e-bikes deliver substantial power for acceleration, hill climbing, and carrying extra load. Voltage. Uses a 48V battery system, which strikes a good balance between power output and efficiency. Speed range. Capable of achieving high speeds, typically 30 to 50 miles per hour, 48 to 80 kilometers per hour, depending on motor setup, rider weight, terrain, and settings. This makes it faster than many typical electric bikes and suitable for longer commutes or recreational riding. Product 9. Product name: Ridstar H20 Folding Electric Bike. The Ridstar H20 Folding Electric Bike is a hefty, powerful urban, commuter e-bike designed to combine fat tire all-terrain capability with everyday riding convenience. It blends strong propulsion, foldable portability, and large battery capacity into a single package aimed at riders who want both performance and versatility for city streets, light off-road trails, or daily commuting. Key features. High-power drive. The bike is equipped with a 2000 W peak output system, typically delivered via dual brushless motors for strong acceleration and hill climbing ability. This power output is significantly higher than typical commuter e-bikes, giving brisk acceleration and top speeds around 28 to 31 miles per hour, 45 to 50 kilometers per hour, under optimal conditions. Large battery. A 48V23R removable lithium-ion battery supports long distances per charge, with advertised ranges up to 50 to 70 miles, 80, 113 km, in pedal assist mode. Range varies with terrain, rider weight, and riding mode, pure electric vs pedal assist. Product 10. Product name D-Power K300. The D-Power K300 is a compact, foldable electric bike designed primarily as an urban commuter e-bike for adults who want a portable, battery-assisted ride for city streets and short to mid-distance travel. Key features: motor and power. Equipped with a 400W brushless motor, the K300 offers enough torque for typical city commuting and mild inclines. It can reach top speeds around 21.7 miles per hour, almost equal to 32-35 km/h, depending on riding conditions and battery configuration. Battery and range. Powered by a 48V battery system, with the 30Ah version providing extended ride range, often up to 50-60 miles, 80-96 km per charge in optimal conditions. The range varies significantly with rider weight, terrain, assist level, and speed. The battery is removable, allowing convenient charging on or off the bike. Product 11. Product name 750W Adult Electric Bike. The 750W Adult Electric Bike is a high-performance, versatile e-bike designed for daily commuting, leisure riding, and light off-road use. It combines powerful motor capability with compact, user-friendly features that make it suitable for a wide range of adult riders. Powerful 750W motor. This e-bike is equipped with a 750-watt brushless motor, delivering strong acceleration and the ability to handle moderate hills and uneven terrain with confidence. Ideal for riders who want more power than standard 250/500W models, especially useful for heavier riders or those carrying cargo. Speed and performance. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour, under electric power alone. Offers a balance between regulatory compliance in many regions and enjoyable, efficient transport. Product 12. Product name T5 Mountain Electric Bike. The T5 Mountain Electric Bike is a powerful, foldable electric bicycle designed for versatile riding, from city streets to snow, sand, gravel, and light mountain trails. It falls into the category of high-performance fat-tire e-bikes that blend utility, comfort, and off-road capability for daily commuting, leisure riding, or adventure trips. Core features. Motor and power. Comes equipped with a 750W brushless motor, which provides strong torque for climbing hills and riding on uneven ground. These motors are standard in mid-range performance e-bikes and are capable of handling a variety of terrain with confidence. Battery. A 48V13R lithium-ion battery provides substantial energy storage for long rides. In similar bikes with this battery size, you can expect a range of 30 to 80 km per charge depending on riding mode, pure electric or pedal assist, rider weight, terrain and conditions. Product 13. Product name 20-inch folding electric bicycle. The 20-inch folding electric bicycle combines compact convenience with high-performance electric mobility. Designed for both men and women, this bike features a robust 48V400W motor paired with a 10-14Ah removable battery, enabling riders to cover impressive distances of up to 100 km on a single charge. Its foldable 20-inch frame makes storage and transport effortless, perfect for urban commuting or recreational adventures. Built for durability and long-term performance, this electric bike offers a smooth, powerful ride while retaining the flexibility of a traditional bicycle. Ideal for daily commuting, weekend rides, or city travel, it's a practical solution for anyone seeking an eco-friendly, efficient, and portable transport option. Product 14. Product name Electrica 500W Adult Electric Bike. The Electrica 500W Adult Electric Bike is a compact, urban-focused e-bike designed for everyday commuting, short trips, and general mobility needs. It combines a powerful motor, foldable design, and removable battery to offer a versatile riding experience in a package that's easy to carry and store. Key performance and powertrain. Motor: 500W brushless electric motor that delivers steady acceleration and can propel the bike to around 20 miles per hour, almost equals 32 km/h, under ideal conditions. Battery, 48V lithium-ion battery with approximately 10.4 Ah capacity, some listings show 12 Ah, removable for convenient charging at home or work. Range, typical range on a single charge is roughly 19 to 22 miles, 30 to 35 kilometers, suitable for daily commutes or errands. Charging usually takes about 3 to 5 hours. Design and comfort. Folding frame. The bike's 14-inch folding design makes it highly portable and easy to stow in car trunks, closets, or under desks. Shock absorption. Multi-shock absorption components and 14-inch tires improve ride comfort over bumps and uneven surfaces. Build. Constructed with a carbon steel frame to balance strength and affordability. Product 15. Product name Bodywell T3. The Bodywell T3 is a compact, foldable electric bicycle designed for urban commuting, shopping, and everyday travel, combining portability with practical features that fit city-centric lifestyles. While specific official specs for the 48V13R battery version are not widely published online, the T3 model generally offers the following known features on similar variants. Power and performance. Motor, typically equipped with a 350W brushless motor, which delivers smooth electric assistance and enough torque for city rides and gentle hills. Battery, around 48V battery capacity. Your mention of 13R indicates a relatively large battery for decent range in this compact class, longer range than smaller 9R variants, though exact range figures vary by riding conditions and usage. Top speed, designed for urban use, these bikes generally reach moderate speeds suitable for public road laws in most regions.